Jai Hind students, this is important question for history examination in boards. So our first question is, who had decided the Swaraj flag by 1921? Explain the main feature of the Swaraj flag. In 1921, Gandhi ji decided the Swaraj flag, and the main features of this flag were as following. It was a tricolor saffron green and white. It has a spinning wheel in the center, representing the Gandhian idea of self-help. Now our second question, describe civil disobedience movement was different from non-cooperative movement. Support the statement with example. So civil disobedience movement differ from non-cooperative movement in the following ways. Civil disobedience movement and non-cooperative movement here. This movement deals with the breaking of the law formed by the British government. इसमें केवल ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के लॉ को ब्रेक करने की बात की गई थी सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट में, और नॉन कोऑपरेटिव में इस बात को ज़्यादा कहा गया था कि ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के साथ कॉपरेट नहीं करना है। तो इसमें कॉपरेट के साथ साथ लॉ ब्रेक की भी बात की गई थी सिविल डिसोबीडियंस में। सो this movement was not for not following the rule of the government. It did not deals the violation of law. Now next, the main aim being violation of law. It was carried out by breaking salt law and forest law by side holding the demonstrations, and it was carried out through peaceful demonstrations and picking foreign shops. This movement was launched by basically to attend Poon Swaraj, and because the 11th demand of the Congress was denied. However, in this movement was launched in order to unify Hindus and Muslims and to attend Swaraj. As here is Khilafat movement was also started as to cooperate Muslims with Hindus as for getting Swaraj. Swaraj means independence. Now, what type of flag was designed during the Swaraj movement in Bengal? Explain the main features. So, during Swaraj movement in Bengal, a tricolor flag, red, green and yellow, was designed nationalism in India. Now, it has 8 lotus representing 8 province of British India. 8 province का मतलब 8 स्टेट, उस समय स्टेट को प्रोविंस कहा जाता था, और इंडिया जैसे कि आज पाकिस्तान यहाँ से अलग हो चुका है, बांग्लादेश अलग हो चुका है, लेकिन ये तब का जो है टाइम था जब ये सब कुछ हमारे इंडिया के पार्ट हुआ करते थे, और उस समय इंडिया को 8 प्रोविंस में डिवाइड किया गया था। तो 8 प्रोविंस को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए यहाँ 8 लोटस बने हुए थे। इट ऑल्सो हैड ए क्रिसेंट मून रिप्रेजेंटिंग हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम, क्योंकि हिंदू और मुस्लिम्स बोथ जो है मून्स को लेकर के अलग अलग तरह के रिलीजियस एस्पेक्ट्स रखते हैं, थॉट्स रखते हैं, व्यूज़ रखते हैं, वी कैन से। नाउ the plantation worker in Assam had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi, and the nation of Swaraj support the statement with arguments. So here, the plantation workers in Assam had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi and the nation of Swaraj. This statement can be supported by the following arguments. For plantation worker in Assam, freedom means right to move freely in and out of the comfort space in which they were enclosed and return a link with the native village. इससे पहले इमिग्रेशन एक्ट था जिसके थ्रू ये सब इस तरह के मूवमेंट नहीं कर सकते थे, इनके ऊपर काफ़ी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थी। तो इन लोगों ने उसे डिसोबे करना शुरू कर दिया. When they had heard of the non-cooperative movement, thousands of workers left the plantation and headed home. They believed that Gandhi Raj meant that they would be given land in their own village. However, due to steamer and railway strike, thousands were stand on the way and also beaten brutally.